Looking to earn your first $500 online as a creative designer? The creative market can help. We'll show you how to leverage your design skills for online success. The creative market is for selling digital products. Think fonts, templates, and graphics. With over 8 million buyers, it's perfect for passive income. What types of products sell best? Canva templates, social media kits, and unique fonts are hot. Notion templates and printable wall art also attract buyers. First, pick a profitable niche. Focus on needs of businesses or creators. For example, Instagram Reels templates work great for coaches. Next, design your product. Use Canva, Figma, or Illustrator for a polished look. Make sure to add clear instructions for ease of use. Presentation is key, so create stunning previews. Show your product in action using mockups and lifestyle images. This helps buyers visualize its utility. Now, upload your product in the creative market like Envato, Redbubble, and Printful. Create a designer account and add a strong title. Use SEO-friendly tags and price it between $10 and $30. Once uploaded, promote your product. Share on Pinterest or Instagram to attract buyers. Create tutorials or run promotions to enhance visibility. Let's do the math. Selling a $15 template 34 times equals 510. One great product and good promotion can lead to success. Here are some bonus tips. Offer bundle deals for higher prices. Optimize your visuals weekly to keep them fresh. Experiment with different niches over time for better results. Want a free checklist for launching your first product? Grab it from the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative monetization tips.